Hello everyone, welcome to CognitBotz. My name is Neha. I am RPA developer in CognitBotz Solutions, and the live forum is for discussing the RPA challenges and helping RPA community in solving the problems. So I came up with one solution of UIPATH forum questions. So in this video, I will explain how to solve this scenario. So let's start. This is an UIPath forum. Here is a question. Need to filter data table based on three dates. So our agenda in this scenario is here is one Excel. This is Excel, and we need to filter data on based of these two conditions. If status ABC is completed, and second one is if current day is Monday, then filter the completion dates based on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Suppose today is Monday, then we get Friday, Sunday, and Saturday dates data only. So let's create one workflow for that. I'm going to create one process. It takes a little bit time to create. Okay. So for read Excel, we use and read range webhook activity, or we can use read range uh, in Excel application scope. But for that, we need an Excel in your machine. So I'm use read range webhook here. So need to provide webhook path. This is the Excel we use in this process. Sheet name, sheet 1, and we read whole data in that Excel. So that's why I'm not use any range here. And going to create output variable dt. So our first condition is if status ABC is completed. We need an ABC status is completed. So in Excel there is an column status. This one here is ABC started, ABC failed, and here you will see ABC completed. So we need only ABC completed data. And another one is if current day is Monday. So then we filter other dates based on that. So for that we use if condition here, and if condition we need to give a conditions. Now dot day of week. This is the expression for today's day. Suppose today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That's it. We use now dot day of week. We compare that day of week dot Monday. Suppose today is Monday, then we proceed our data. Another one, we need to filter status ABC completed. So for that, I'm going to use filter data table. Need to provide input Input is nothing but your read range output variable, just dt, and in configure filter, we filter as per our requirement. So in column, we need to filter status column. So we need to give correct column name. Yes. And we need status ABC completed. Status equals to ABC completed. And in Excel here you will see there is a blank rows. So we filter that blank rows also. Column name is completion date. Completion date is not empty. Okay. We again store this data in DT. After that, suppose today is Monday, then filter. Then we filter completion dates based on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So for that, I'm going to use a LINQ query. For that, I'm using assign. So simply track assign activity. Here, create one variable, filter data. And variable type must be system.data.datatable. Okay. Here we need to create a LINQ query. So this query is used. I will explain what is exact this query. So here you will see dt dot as enumerable. Here we use dt dot as enumerable. Dt is our read range output variable. So I use dt dot as enumerable. So this converts the data table dt into an enumerable collections. So which allows us to use LINQ methods on it. So I'm use this dt dot as enumerable dot where of function of r, and dot where method is an LINQ extension method that filters elements from a collection based on specified condition. So in this case, the condition is defined using a lambda function, this function of R that represents each row R in the data table. So this R is nothing but this is the row, data table row. After the C date of R of completion date dot to string dot day of week. So this the part converts the value in completion date. Completion date is our column, and for the current row R, so for conversion of that row R into a data type, for that we use C date. C date is nothing but data type. Okay, and I'm use here dot day of week. So this property returns the day of the week of the date value. For example, day of week dot Friday represents Friday. So that's why I'm use date of week dot Friday. and then I'm use here. You will see Friday, then Saturday, and then Sunday here. This is the condition. We take condition here. We need only dates based on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's why I'm give this condition. And this is the condition being checked within the where function. So it checks whether the day of the week of completion date is suppose Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. And last one is dot copy to data table. So this method is used to convert the filtered result back into new data table. So for that we use dot copy to data table. So the overall purpose of this query is to filter the original data table based on the condition that the completion dates falls on the Friday, Saturday or Sunday. The resulting rows that meets this condition are copied into new data table. So for that new data table you use copy to data table, copy to data table. Okay, have 8, and for showing result I'm using write range activity. I'm using same workbook here with differentiate sheet to data table. This is the filter data, so we use this filter data. Okay, and after this filtration, suppose there is not Monday. Suppose today is Monday, then we filter this based on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But suppose today is Tuesday or other day, then data table is empty. So in else condition, assign activity, and today is, so that's why this workflow goes in else condition. For result, I'm use here Tuesday for showing result only. Okay, here is our filter data. Suppose you check this all dates, and this all dates will be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as per our filter. And This is my scenario. For more updates and upcoming live events, follow CognitBotz. And suppose if you have any questions, any query, then let me know in the comments. Thank you.